Tired of your important notes being scattered across different platforms? Let's consolidate them all into Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Setup menu in Zoho CRM. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, look for the Data Administration section and click on Import. You'll now see various options for importing data. If your notes are in a CSV or Excel file, select the corresponding option. If they're coming from another CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, choose the appropriate CRM platform. Let's say you're importing from a CSV file, click CSV. Then browse and select your file. In the next step, you'll map the columns from your CSV file to the correct fields in Zoho CRM, like note title, content, and related, to make sure the related to field corresponds to either leads, contacts, or deals in your CRM. To associate your notes correctly, before finalizing the import, carefully review the mapping and the number of records to be imported. Zoho CRM will highlight any potential errors or unmapped fields. Correct these before proceeding. Finally, click Import now to bring your notes into Zoho CRM. Once the import is complete, you can check a contact, lead, or deal record to ensure your notes have been successfully imported and are readily accessible. This streamlined process will keep your notes organized and at your fingertips within Zoho CRM.